Hey, it's Jim. We're gonna unbox. I haven't been doing a lot of unboxings lately because it's not that interesting a lot of times. But we're gonna unbox the new Balto scooter from Glion. I haven't seen the scooter yet. I don't really know anything about the specs. I know it has a potential cool inverter option with the battery you can add. That's going to be available in February sometime. But yeah, I'm just going to take a look at it, and my lovely assistant Sarah behind the camera is going to come over here and help me, you know, react to what we see in here, get a couple different eyes on it. So, got my trusty opening tools and zip tie cutting tools, and hopefully everything else is in here. So let's open it up. One thing Glion does really well is it's mostly cardboard in here. Actually, can you help me tilt it towards the camera? Mm-hmm. And I find this sort of refreshing, where most other scooters are using like block styrofoam that tends to make a mess, and it's not as easy to recycle as cardboard is. So I like Glion's use of cardboard. So a notable thing about the Balto, which is kind of interesting, it comes with all the accessories that you would typically buy. So at the time of this video, this is $699 US. So it comes with a back rack, it comes with a basket, it comes with a seat, comes I think with a cup holder. So it's kind of nice you don't have to pay extra for some of that stuff. All right, so pulled out most of the other stuff. I'm just gonna pull the plastic off here, get a first look at it. Me and Sarah will fold it up, and that's really all I'm gonna do on this first one. Just gonna get an eye, and I'll hold up some of the other features. This only took about 2 days to get to me after I ordered it, so it shipped out, looks like the same day I ordered it. So it was nice it was so quick from my order time to receiving it. So Sarah, what do you think about the way it looks?
I think it's pretty slick.
Yeah, it's pretty beefy. This is where your seat and everything hooks in. My only thing, just seeing right off, I mean, it looks like very secure and very strong for the seat. But if you're somebody that never has any intention in using the seat, it obviously does, you know, really intrude on this rear portion of the deck. But we're going to take it outside and assemble it the rest of the way, and I'll kind of let you know how long that took, and then we'll just check back in with it assembled. So here's the Balto, and it's assembled, everything on it condition. Only took us what, 10 or 15 minutes?
Yeah.
It was actually quite easy, and the two little T-handle wrench and just one other little Allen wrench fit everything that was necessary. I'm not sure when I ride it if I'll have a lot of this stuff on there, but it's kind of cool that it came with the basket and the rack and the seat and everything. Everything comes apart, off, and you can move all this stuff off easily. I'm kind of impressed initially by the tires. They're like 12-inch by 3-inch diameter, or 3-inch width. So they seem to be really, really beefy. And generally it's put together quite well. And then I want to show this. I don't know if I've seen batteries use this kind of packaging, but that's the battery in there. It's like in this cool tube cylinder packaging, which is, I think it's smart idea. It's really nice and secure. And it's just that water bottle style of a battery. All right, well, you know what? I want to try it. So I'm going to show Sarah how this handlebar works, and that's a way to it kind of feels with the seat on here, it feels like a mobility scooter, kind of. I've ridden my dad's Rascal, and it kind of feels a little bit like this idea. It's kind of fun in a way. I'm already finding this little strap a little annoying. So you've got a battery gauge with a throttle over here. Oh, that's interesting. So it must require a little forward momentum to get it doesn't go from a stop. So It's got a ridiculously large mirror. I can see like for days back there. I don't think I'll be riding with the seat on there, but it's kind of fun. And I just noticed the battery plug, it has a disconnect down on the motor, and that had come slightly pulled apart in shipping, so that's why the throttle wasn't working right off the bat. Some of these features about the turn signals, I'll have to see that at night when I do the full review on this, but just get you a little peek at this scooter. I really hadn't seen it, and it's fairly impressively put together to me. Like, it seems solid, and you get a lot of accessories right off the bat, so that's pretty cool. It is a 36 volt scooter, so I'm not sure how fast and what kind of range I'm going to really get, but we'll be checking that out soon. Thanks a lot. And thanks to Sarah too. See ya.
Feel the wave. Oh, it's catch the wave.
You can feel the wave if you want.
Feel the wave.
Catch the wave.